Here we have number 6. It is a power of a quotient property. Here we just have a fraction and that is raised to the exponent. So that exponent is going to be distributed to the top term of the fraction and the bottom term of the fraction. So the x on top will now have an exponent of 4, and the 2 on bottom is going to have also the exponent of 4. Let's do some simplifying. So on top it is x to the 4th. Then on bottom we have 2 to the 4th power. That becomes 16. So that would be the final answer. Okay, for B, we can distribute that 4, but it is better to deal with the fraction first. So 5 over 20 can be simplified to just 1 over 4. And then that x negative 1 on top is going to come down, becoming x to the 1. Okay? Then we have it to the 4th power. Let's do some simplifying here. This is really 1 over 4x. Now it becomes to the 4th power. Now we can distribute that 4 to the top and 4 to the bottom. Becomes 1 to the 4th power, 4 to the 4th, and x to the 4th. This becomes 1 over 4 to the 4 becomes 256, x to the 4th. That would be the complete answer. Then we have C. Here, the fraction is very complicated, so let's simplify what's inside first. So negative 4 over 16 is the first thing to deal with. X to the 10 and x to the negative 2 is the second thing. Y to the 7 and y to the 5. Okay, those are the 3 pieces, all raised to the 2nd power. So negative 4 over 16 becomes negative 1 over 4. X to the 10 and x to the 2 becomes x. I can bring the x to the 2 to the top, becomes x to the 12. And then x7 and y to the 7th and y to the 5th becomes y to the 2nd power. And that's all on top to the 2nd power. So this simplifies to negative x to 12 y2 over 4 raised to the 2nd power. That 2nd power can now be distributed to each one of the terms. So it's distributed to the x to the 12, y squared, and to the 4. This becomes now negative x 12 times 2 y squared times 2, and then we have a 4 to the 2nd power. This does simplify, getting us x to the 24, y to the 4, and a 16 on the bottom. That would be its complete answer.